Introducing ChatGPT Search, your fast lane to finding answers with up-to-date information and trustworthy sources. Imagine getting all the benefits of natural language chat combined with accurate, timely search results all in one place. Now, ChatGPT can seamlessly search the web to answer your questions. Want to know the latest weather forecast for Positano? Or maybe you are looking for the best restaurant in town tonight? ChatGPT not only gives you the answer but also the web sources behind it. To activate web search in ChatGPT, simply click the globe icon next to the chat bar. It's that easy. Just type your question, and ChatGPT will decide when to search the web for the most up-to-date response. You can also click the web search icon to get straight to a more detailed answer. For example, you could ask for today's stock price for Apple, or latest news on space exploration, or weather in Bangalore, or schedule of NFL, and ChatGPT will pull the latest, relevant information for you. From weather reports and stock updates to news highlights and interactive maps, ChatGPT brings you the latest information, sourced directly from trusted providers. You'll see links to original sources, making it easier for you to explore the information further. OpenAI partnered with some of the leading news and data providers to ensure your answers are not just accurate but also well attributed. Whether it's about sports schedules, stock movements, or the top headlines, ChatGPT Search is designed to get you straight to the source. With just a click, you can view the sources behind the response. It's not just about fast answers, it's about getting you to the right answers from trusted publishers. Publishers like Vox Media, Le Monde, and Axel Springer are excited to be part of this transformation, making journalism accessible in innovative ways while maintaining the integrity of the information. OpenAI collaborated closely with top publishers around the world, and OpenAI said they are committed to helping users discover high-quality content, while supporting content creators and journalists. This new feature is available today for ChatGPT Plus and Team users. Simply go to chatgpt.com or use a desktop or mobile app. And don't worry, it's rolling out to free users in the coming months too. Ready to get the best of chat and search? Download the Chrome extension or head to chatgpt.com to try it today. ChatGPT Search, designed to get you to a better answer. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI content. Thank you for watching.